Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming credentials, your Apple ID, password, and a trusted device for two-factor. Once done, open Settings and tap your name to check if this is your personal account. If you're changing a child's age, make sure you're the family organizer. Otherwise, you won't have permission. Make a quick note of any screen time or purchase restrictions tied to the account, because changing a birth date can alter those settings immediately. To change an adult Apple ID birth date, open Safari and sign in at Appleid. Apple.com, then edit date of birth under account and complete verification. If you're editing a child in family sharing, go to Settings Your Name Family, pick the child's account, then edit birth date. Make sure to follow the verification prompts. Apple may require the organizer's consent or a government ID for certain changes. After saving, allow a few minutes. Once you save the new birth date, sign out and back into iCloud and related apps so settings refresh. If the system blocks the update, make sure your verification matched Apple's requirements. You may need to provide ID or contact Apple support for manual review. Also check screen time, App Store restrictions, and family purchase settings because age changes can alter permissions. If something still fails, restart the iPhone and try again. Persistent issues usually resolve after a support-assisted verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.